Exercise 18. Creating a compelling future. 1. Set the stage. Think of where you'll be tomorrow. Picture it. Notice what it looks like. Notice the colors. Picture it in full detail. This image of the future occurs in a particular location in your inner theater. Notice the inner three-dimensional theater that you've set up. It has sounds and images. You can even put yourself over there on the stage. 2. See yourself in the future in your chosen role. Now, in this inner mental theater, see yourself vividly in the future, achieving this goal. It's like the future is right over there, close, bright, and colorful too. Over across a gap or line of time, you see yourself achieving that particular goal. Watch and listen to all the details as you see it unfolding in a very pleasant way. 3. Make your goal well formed. As you see yourself performing in that role in an extraordinary way, go through this checklist of 6 goal conditions to make sure your goal is well formed. The goal you see is positive. It is what to do, not what to avoid doing. You want to do the goal. It's a want, not a should. You are the one doing it, not someone else. You can do it. It's not impossible. The goal is specific, not general. The goal is ecological. You can anticipate the effects of the goal and make sure they are positive for those affected by its achievement. 4. Make your image compelling. Now use various kinds of visual special effects in your imagery as you look at yourself having achieved that goal over there in the future. You may use X-ray vision in order to see the inner workings of your mind and body. You may use certain colors in order to illustrate emotional states you're enjoying there. You can use multiple screens to see different things happening in different situations or different times that relate to that specific goal. See the goal in bright vividness and notice its 3 dimensions. As you make the achievement of your goal big and close, vibrant and compelling, also sense your body and your feelings. Take your time and enjoy this vision, this masterpiece that you are creating, directing, and becoming. 5. Notice the pathway. Pay attention to what is achieved and how attractive it is, drawing you to it. Now notice that there is a pathway from the present moment to that particular future. It's a kind of pathway through time.